Do you wish to increase your cryptocurrency and Bitcoin passive income? Would be interested to know how to activate your current Bitcoin revenue the quickest? The rise in popularity of cryptocurrency has increased the possibilities for passive income. Making money continuously without exerting effort is the aim of creating residual income using Bitcoin. You may now put your Bitcoin to work for as long as you desire, rather than incurring unwarranted trading risks, putting forth a lengthy effort, or letting it sit idle. Create the circumstance gradually. Once established, they will continue to make money for you without any additional work on your side. Many automatically recurring revenue streams can be produced by combining a few different approaches. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Cloud mining. It is now feasible to mine cryptocurrencies utilizing cloud computing resources that are rented instead of owned or directly operated, thanks to the development of cloud mining. People can register for an account, make a little payment, and start mining bitcoins from a distance. Mining Bitcoin is now more readily available and lucrative for a wider range of consumers as a result of cloud mining enterprises. Affiliate program. By sending visitors to the websites of various cryptocurrency exchange affiliate programs, you can make money. Joining an affiliate program is cost-free. Upon creating an account, you will receive a unique URL. Share the URL among other places on websites, blogs, forums, and social media. You will get paid each time a customer registers or makes a purchase using your connection. The primary benefit is the possibility of starting quickly and making money. In addition, even after all that work, money would continue to flow for days, weeks, months, and even years. The affiliate program can be a terrific way to make some solid passive income, regardless of whether you run a blog, have a website, or have a sizable following on social media. Airdrops. Crypto projects would employ airdrops as a marketing tactic to boost their circulation and popularity before to an initial coin offering, ICO. This means distributing free samples of the native token of the project to potential users. As a result, before going on sale, the pass is more widely publicized and distributed. There are many different kinds of airdrops. Only connecting your wallet earns you tokens from some, while simple actions like liking the project's social media page are required by others. Crypto airdrops can be a fun way to diversify your cryptocurrency holdings, even though they are unpredictable or rarely generate significant rewards. Learn to earn. Some sites provide cryptocurrency rewards to customers who use the Learning Sentry. It rewards users for their platform expertise by enticing them to watch videos and finish quizzes. These coins are given to users at the conclusion of the course, and the subject matter frequently revolves around a particular altcoin. As some of these tokens might not be ideal for long-term investment, users can sell them for cash, exchange them for other tokens on the website, or use the earnings to purchase tokens for another possible project. Crypto games. Online Bitcoin gaming is becoming more and more popular, but there should be more chances for passive revenue. Numerous crypto games are available, and many of them reward players for using various forms of cryptocurrency. Crypto savings accounts. An additional method of earning passive income within the crypto space is by using crypto savings accounts. These are similar accounts to the ones offered by traditional banks. However, these ones are available on crypto exchanges, centralized exchanges to be precise. Apart from exchanges, there may also be other specialized platforms that offer such services. Crypto savings accounts are simply interest-bearing accounts for cryptocurrencies. The platforms allow you to deposit your money into an account, and in return, you'll earn interest based on the amount you deposited. Meanwhile, they use your money for various purposes. The platform might act as a liquidity pool, a lending platform, or something similar. For investors, it is important that their funds are safe and that they will grow in time. Dividend-earning tokens. In 10th spot, we have dividend-earning tokens. As the name suggests, these are crypto tokens that have some regular dividend rewards for their holders. Although this isn't common, Certain tokens have this mechanism built into their code. One example is VeChain, VeT. You earn Thor, VTHO, by holding it. Alternatively, you can get KuCoin shares, KCS, which will grant you a share of KuCoin's transaction fees. This does not differ much from earning dividends from stocks. The only difference here is that you're dealing with cryptocurrencies. Decentralized crypto lending. Crypto lending is one of the most popular ways of earning passive income in the entire industry. Similar to liquidity mining, with this method, all you have to do is deposit your crypto into a lending pool. Once again, users must conduct thorough research when it comes to selecting the best crypto lending service. The interest comes from borrowers who borrow the coins that you deposited. They are expected to return the funds in the agreed amount of time and pay interest rates. The entire process is all facilitated but the use of smart contracts. Lenders must also provide some sort of collateral. This safeguards the lender. Staking. Staking is a process that occurs on a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain network. It's one of the most popular methods of earning passive income. It requires little effort. All you need to do is lock your crypto up for a certain period of time. In return, you receive rewards in the network's native cryptocurrency. Depending on the network, this can come in the form of new tokens or transaction fees. Staking is a low-risk method of earning passive income, especially for long-term crypto investors. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.